Oh, wait. I think he died because it was too cold. I think he died because, that stuff was coming in the morning. I think that's why he died.
Oh, the claws. You want to do a picture with the claws?
No, I'm recording. I'm recording for YouTube. Poor little bird. Like it died. That was sad. I almost cried. Anyway, guys, I'm walking home and I just found a dead bird. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but I definitely can't. Yeah, I'm tongue twisted. So yeah, you can friend me on Facebook. I'm not telling you it because adults are on YouTube. And I don't want adults talking to me unless they're my aunt, cousin, or mom or dad. Because I have like 2 dads. 1, my stepdad, Joey, and 2, my dad, Michael. But I don't call Michael my dad at all. So yeah, I'm going to be walking home and giving you a tour. Oh, and Aliana, if you're watching this, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, and you too, Deja. So yeah. I just wanted to show you that I found a dead bird over there near the fence. I'm going to say thank you to the people who I saw. Like, even the one who was touching the bird to see if it was alive, and it wasn't. So, ooh, pretty flat. I've never touched this fence before. I'm afraid it's going to electrocute me. Okay, it's not electrical. I'm always scared it's gonna electrocute me. Jesus, I cannot see with the sun. The weather did say it was gonna be mostly sunny. But whew! Oh, in my class, had a pajama party. Isn't that cool? We celebrated 20 compliments with a no, not slumber party, slumber clothes party. Pajama party! Whatever it's called. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you know what it's called. But something to do with pajamas. Leave a like and subscribe if you leave a comment down below. And yeah, this was a really sad moment. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now. Hi! I got you on camera. I'm recording for YouTube. So yeah. I'm gonna stop the video right here, and when I get to my house, I'm gonna give you a tour.